Hi everyone, Stephen Lee here. If you're an Illinois small business owner, in this video, I'm going to go over 3 crucial updates in regards to Illinois Business Interruption Grant you need to know. So let's get right into it. Number 1, the deadline to apply for round 2 of the Illinois Business Interruption Grant program is coming up. It's this Tuesday, December 15th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Once again, the deadline to apply for round number 2 of funds is coming up. It's this Tuesday, December 15th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Remember, when it comes to the Illinois BIG grants, the applications are reviewed on a rolling basis. And the last time I checked, there's about a little over $100 million worth of funding left, okay, in regards to round number 2 for the BIG grant. So you don't want to miss your chance to receive a grant up to $150,000. Remember, if you don't know what the Illinois BIG grant is, don't forget to hit the video card at the top of this video to see my last video in regards to, and I go over the entire application, as well as do you qualify and what you need to submit with your grant application. So you don't want to miss that video. Number 2 is submit your application with a DUNS number. Once again, submit your application with a DUNS number. What does DUNS stand for? DUNS stands for Data Universal Numbering System. Data Universal Numbering System. And what this is, it's a credit report for your business. Think of it as like your business's FICO score, okay? And it shows lenders basically the financial stability of your firm, okay? And your firm's relationships and your business's relationships with other companies and individuals. So you make sure you have to submit your application for BIG round number 2 with your DUNS number. And the reason I say this is because a fellow YouTube viewer actually reached out to me directly and told me that they had applied using their DUNS number and received an Illinois grant of $150,000. That's the maximum amount. So what that viewer was mentioning was that if you apply with a DUNS number versus skipping that question, you want to make sure you include the DUNS number to be able to qualify for the largest grant possible of $150,000. Okay, so thank you viewers out there for always submitting those great comments and things that you've seen in the field. So how do you find your DUNS number? I'm going to leave that link in the information section below this video. So go to that site, find your DUNS number, and then include that in your application if you have not applied yet. If this is the kind of content that you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and also turn on your notifications for this channel. Number 3, even if you received a BIG grant in round number 1, you can still apply for additional funds in this round number 2. Okay, there is no rule stating that you cannot apply for round number 2 funds if you received a grant in round number 1. Okay, like I said, as of today, when I checked this morning, there's a little over $100 million worth of funds that have not been issued yet for all Illinois small business owners. So you definitely want to submit your application even if you received round number 1 funds. All right, so let's recap that one more time. The 3 most important things you need to know about the Illinois Business Grant round number 2. Number 1 is that the deadline is this Tuesday, December 15th at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Number 2, apply with your DUNS number. Don't forget to include that in your application. Don't skip that portion. And number 3, reapply for round number 2 even if you received funds in round number 1. Once again, reapply for round number 2 of funds even though you may have received funds in round number 1. Good luck with all your applications, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.